Hey everyone, this is ReleaseShield AI, project that built to help engineering teams make safer release decisions. It combines PR audit, code issue fixing, and data quality insights in one workspace. And this is the home page where we have three live parts. One is Audit PR Analysis, Fix Coding Issues, and CSV Crawler and Insights. The first Audit PR Analysis, which checks whether a pull request is safe to deploy or not. And the second is fix coding issues, where a developer can paste their code, logs, or comments and gets a fix recommendation. And the third is CSV Crawler and Insights, which analyzes messy CSV or Excel data and gives quality scores, chats, and cleaning suggestions. So once user tap on audit PR analysis, it goes to down, and here we can easily access from the live parts, whether user can open from open button or user can click anywhere in this audit PR to open this audit PR analysis. So in this audit PR analysis, we have PR title, GitHub PR link, PR description, and changed code are different. So if any of the fields are empty, so it will prompt a message that we need to provide information in order to do audit PR analysis. Let's use the sample data, and if we click on reset, all the fields should be cleared, and let's go into the sample data. So on top of it, audit PR analysis, it analyzes in the background whether the PR is good to go with caution, or no go. It also explains the main risk and next steps. If needed, the app can also help prepare a manager email or chat update based on the audit result. So let's wait for audit PR analyzer. So this is the analysis that the code provided by the user. So it says the work status is partially completed with the release station as no-go, and the readiness score is 59 by 100, and the security leakage is critical. So we can easily know what exactly the work status does with the information button, whereas the same for release station, readiness score, and the security leakage. And this is how the graph shows the readiness, safety, and test. And it also describes the PR summary and main risk involved in the code and the next steps that we can able to do. And here the second tab has agent shield security, where what is the findings from the code that makes this code is not ready to deployable. So in this code, it has the Stripe security key, internal URL exposed, sensitive console log, whereas email address. So all these are exposed in the user side. So that's where it is no go to the production. And the fix center, it provides the revivable fixed code where it fixed all the issues that it found in the PR analyzer, and it also gives the root cause, step-by-step fix, as well as the test suggestions. And the last tab in this audit PR, we have manager update, where user can draft a email message or a chat message by providing the manager name. So let's give the manager name, for example, my name, and once tap on it. So if the user wants to send a email to the manager, so this is what the draft email based on the result that we got, and user can simply copy and they can directly send a mail, or this is the chat message that user can use this message to keep in Teams or any chat medium. On this is audit PR flow, how this audit PR analyzer works, and this is the step-by-step process. And on tap on home, it goes to the home page. Now let's go to the fix coding issues. So in fixed coding issues, we have two buttons with sample data that is having some example data, whereas reset to clear all the input fields. And here we have different coding languages like Python, Java, HTML, JSON, JavaScript, and TypeScript. And user can provide the source code or the source file, and also log file if they have any, and comments if they don't have log file but it needs to say something to the AI. So they can paste in the comments. And if the source file or code is not available, it shows the warning message that you need to fill the source code or the source file field. So let's use the sample data and let's scan the code. So this app checks syntax and runtime behavior. For example, if Python code calls a function with none and that causes a non-type error, and the app detects it and marks the code as risky. If the code is valid, it simply says good to go with the code. If not, it gives the root cause, explanation, suggested fixed code, and test suggestions. So this is invalid because the input may have the none. So that's where it gives the revivable fixed code as well as the root cause and the step-by-step fix with the test suggestions. And this is the fixed coding flow, how this fixed coding issues will be worked. So let's try reset this. So the syntax is error, so it says the detected language is Python, but there is a syntax error. So if everything is good, then this says no fixed code was generated for this input and this is good to go. let's go into CSV Crawler and Insights. So where user can able to upload the CSV or Excel file. Let's use with the try sample data. So with the Excel sheet that it has, so there are total 6 rows and the columns detected as 10 and the quality score is 6800 with the missing values 2 and the duplicate rows as 1 and the outliers are 2. So it also analyzes the overview of the Excel sheet with the data quality, like what are the missing values in the Excel with the invalid values and the data type issues and the duplicate IDs where it found and the outliers. And it also gives the trends and charts with different flowcharts like bar graph, line graph, area and pie chart. So this is what we can see the trends or charts as per the Excel that is provided by the user. And the AI insights, it also mentions like what is the trust level with the data and revenue concentration and the business rule exceptions. And it also gives the recommended actions like missing values, how many it has, like 1 rows are missing in the field and it goes with the other columns as well. And it also gives the cleaning suggestions, how missing values can be handled with a specific column. And it also mentions the severity based on the rows it has and the suggested fix, how we can fill the missing values. And this is the data detection flow, how this CSV Crawler and Insights works. And the main goal of this ReleaseShield AI is to reduce release risk. It helps developers understand if code is safe, helps manager get clear status updates, and help teams trust their data before making decisions. This makes it useful for real engineering teams because it connects code quality, release readiness, and data intelligence in one app.